Hello YouTubers, today I got a PlayStation 5 in here. This one the customer brought in wants the HDMI port replaced. Just by me looking at it, doesn't appear to be damaged. Maybe possibly pushed in a little bit. I really can't see anything from there. Does look really dirty.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap.
There I could see some pins disconnected. Probably could get away with just soldering these pins back on, but we're gonna replace the port. Let's take a look under the microscope here. I'll get this in focus for you guys. But yeah, I mean, you can look at it. It's kind of slightly slanted like this way a little bit. And you can see where there's been, you can see where the flux is. There's all like a little bit of cracks and stuff. So that's basically saying it was under stress, you know, been moved pretty good. If we take a look at these pins here, you can see his pins are already like kind of like corroding. I honestly don't like these ports because of that. But you can see the port looks fine inside. We'll take a look at that. See any of these pins are loose. I mean, it don't even look like good soldering on PlayStation's network or on PlayStation's side. Now this pin's obviously disconnected, so that's why they're getting no video. And this pin is disconnected too. So you got this pin, that one. You got this one too. But you can see how it's kind of darkened. Like there's almost like liquid getting on them, but it's not. That one's disconnected. That one's disconnected. That one's disconnected. This one's just jacked. Obviously that one's not on there at all. It's even sticking out farther. You got that one that's not connected, and that one. So we got this whole roll right here not even being connected. Now I'm going to try to get a crotch cam sight here without having the liquid metal go anywhere. Because I want to just show you what the port looks like. The port doesn't even look like it's damaged. Let me zoom out. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit bulging there. But I mean, none of the pins look messed up. You can see it's kind of like pushed in just a tad, but not really. I mean, both these pins on both sides, this port looks like a good port. You wouldn't even think there's nothing wrong with it. Alright, so I got the bottom heater set up and everything. It's already preheated. I'm going to come in with some flux here. Then I'm going to grab some hemostats. Make sure we turn on the fume extractor.
Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a...
Alright, there you go. Got that removed. Alright, now while that's hot, I'm gonna wick up the pockets. I find this the easiest way. That way you're not knocking off components and stuff. Alright, grab another one. Alright, we're good. We can turn the bottom heater off. Alright, so that's done cooling. It would help if I turn on my soldering station. Alright, that's done. Now we can clean it. Yeah, surprising that little capacitor is still there. That usually guy gets knocked off all the time. Which that pin that was out all the way. Would have knocked it off. Alright. Oh, we just need to grab a new port. PS5. Now you can get away with using like a PlayStation, what is it? PlayStation Slim or Pro port. I should do a video on that one of these days. You just have to adjust the port a certain way. Set this down, see if it's lined up. Alright, that's pretty good. We're going to turn the bottom heater back on. Let that heat up. That'll help us heat those pads, because you don't want to put too much temperature there, burning the port, obviously. I'm going to turn down the temperature on my JVC. And the airflow down. Alright, so we got it preheated already. Now we could just come from the top a little bit. We're just seating those back pins down, so the port's sitting down flush. Gonna add a little bit more flux. There we go. Alright, so we're done with the bottom heater, so I can move that out of the area. Oh, well, this is still warm. We're going to do some drag soldering here. Add a decent amount of flux because we're going to clean the port afterwards. Oh, that's the best time to get it in focus. So try not to get our liquid flux on there. Or not liquid flux, but liquid thermal paste. Alright, so we got those without knocking the cap off. We got a little bit of flux. Alright, we're good. What we're going to do is we're going to carefully flip the board around so we can do the anchor ports. Or the anchor points, as you want to say. And I'm going to use my big iron. So we're going to hold it there while they'll start absorbing the heat from the big iron. Alright, now we can do the other one. Now I'm going to clean this backside here. Nice buildup of flux. Let me flip this back around. Alright. Now, I just want to show you this. So, you see how the big iron, it actually seeped all the way through onto the other side, doing the anchor points. You can see it went over here on this side too. So we don't even have to touch that up. So all we have to do is just basically clean this up, put this back together, and test it. So we just need to clean it. We'll clean it with some rapid clean technology. We're gonna heat the port up just a little bit. Get the flux all nice and warm. This underneath it. Alright. We got a nice clean port. See, all the pins look nice. Let's go underneath the microscope, check it out. See, it looked like that one. It wasn't solder, but it is. Alright. Looks good. Now we can just put it back together.
I was built to last with the limbs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh, to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spread.
Alright, so we're gonna hit the power button. See, oh, detected PlayStation 5. That's why when you're using a Sony TV, automatically detects the system, which is pretty cool for testing purposes. Let's see if we get a PlayStation logo here. Pretty soon we should. There we go. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.